Maybe your story started earlier than you realized, not with relationships, but with words like, "You're not good enough," "Not beautiful, just be quiet." You learned something dangerous. Love is something you earn. Attention is something you chase. And being easy to deal with keeps people around. So you became that person, the one who doesn't complain, the one who gives, the one who understands. But here's what no one told you. People don't value what you give easily. They value what costs you something. This isn't about men or women or romantic relationships. It's about patterns when you grow up feeling unseen. You don't look for love, you look for validation. And validation feels like someone choosing you quickly, someone giving you attention, someone saying you're different. But here's the truth. That's not love. That's temporary attention. And if your self-worth depends on it, you will accept less than you deserve. Let me say something uncomfortable. You weren't chosen because you didn't require anything. You didn't require effort. You didn't require commitment. You didn't require consistency. So people gave you the bare minimum, not because you're not worthy, but because you didn't enforce your worth. Ask yourself honestly, why do I feel lucky when someone chooses me? Why do I ignore red flags just to not be alone? Why do I give more than I receive? Why does one negative comment destroy my confidence? And the biggest one, who taught me that this is all I deserve? Here's where everything changes. You don't fix this by finding a better person. You fix this by becoming someone who doesn't beg for attention, doesn't chase validation, doesn't stay where they're not valued. Because confidence isn't, "I hope they like me." Confidence is, "I will be okay if they don't." This is how you build your self-worth and teach people what you will and will not accept. Number 1, stop overgiving early. Not everyone deserves access to you. Number 2, learn to sit with silence. You don't have to fill every gap to be liked. Number 3, build yourself first. You've spent years building others. Now build you. Yeah, pause and read that number 3 again. Number 4, challenge negative self-talk. That voice telling you you're not enough, it's not yours. It was planted. You are not hard to love. You were just taught to accept less. And once you unlearn that, everything changes. If this felt like your story, don't ignore it. Because awareness is the first step, but change is the next. Subscribe to Thrive to Grow, because this is where you rebuild yourself, piece by piece. And before you go, ask yourself this: what version of me am I ready to leave behind today? See you in my next video.